And while we may not be able to change the price of gas, we can change how much gas we use.
Who would have thought $2.33 a gallon would be the good old days? Well, that's how much gas was going for this time last year. Today, the average is $3.35, closer to $4 in some parts of the valley. Experts from AAA Arizona and Good Works Auto Repair in Tempe helped us with 3 ways to save. Tip number 1.
First of all, make sure that your car is in good mechanical condition, that that the spark plugs and all that other stuff have been, checked, and they need to be changed periodically depending on the make and model of the vehicle, between 60 and 100,000 miles.
That includes keeping your tires properly inflated. Underinflated tires make your car work harder, burning more gas. Tip number 2.
Clean out your vehicle. Get rid of all the things that you don't need that are inside of your trunk or inside of your car space, because the heavier your vehicle is, the more energy it takes for it to drive out there on the road, and more gasoline it's going to use up. Being a good driver on the road is going to help you save a lot of gasoline.
So avoid sudden accelerations and keeping within the speed limit. According to the Department of Energy, every 5 miles an hour over 50 is like spending an extra 20 cents per gallon. And here's a big saver, number 3.
If you've got a car that burns regular gasoline, running higher grade gasoline, let's say mid-grade or premium fuel, is another big waste of money because your car doesn't require it.
Glenn says it doesn't give you better gas mileage, it just takes more from your wallet.